You didn't make any attempt to stop, did you? Put down the phone! That was a cutoff, but it's not going to pick up on camera, and that was a stop. That we're not going to pick up on camera, and that was not a stop. And we'll pick up on camera. And that was a stop that will probably pick up on camera. See how all those went. Ah! Thanks, Grandpa. There's no one behind me either. Cause someday I'll see something I don't want to see. Hey! Jesus! Fucking asshole. Stop tailgating. Hey, how about yielding? Hello, yield. Hello, yield. Stop! Stop! Mazda, Volkswagen. That was a cutoff. Somebody gonna run the red here? Anybody? Want to be? Yep, there you go. You'll be featured on YouTube. Woohoo! I think that was a cutoff. Well, you're halfway there. I mean, go. Jiggle knob. Don't hit me. Thank you. Shut up, you I-beams. Oh, hi. How you doing? Could really use a cop now. No turning red. I hope and pray these lonely tears will watch the stop signs. Oh yeah. Stop tailgating. Stop. I think you just cut through the parking lot. I think you just cut through the parking lot. Just cut through the parking lot. Hey, you're in the red light, Mr. Big Trucker. Come off, shithead. You're in the red. Go. Fucking go, lady. Will you fucking go? Thanks. Now you're gonna run the red light, right? Yeah. 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 Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah. Thanks and dive. I'm gonna say you're in a rush. Oh, you're in the red, okay. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Oh dear. Big excitement in Amherst. Get out of the way, stupid! Get out of the fucking way! Gee. Are you fucking stupid? Are you fucking stupid? Jesus Christ. More. What the hell is going on here today? And we're in the red. No left turn out of that parking lot, tough guy. I think we established that before, haven't we? Did you stop? Come on, oh yeah. Come on, come on, come on. Oh wait, there was no turn red. Not all legal. U-turn. Thought you were turd. Stop. Damn it. Hey, hey, it's red. What the fuck? Are you going to stop? No. Are you going to stop? No. Stop again? No. What the hell are you doing? That's the exit. Hi, that's the exit. That's the exit. It was cut off. Hello. Right turn done.